Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace the pressure regulator in your gas range, be sure to unplug the power cord or shut off the power supply. Shut off the gas supply as well. Have an assistant help you to move the range away from the wall. Unthread the gas supply line from the regulator. Remove the fitting as well. Use channel lock pliers and a 9/16" wrench to unthread the nut securing the gas supply tube to the regulator. Use a 3/4" wrench or an adjustable wrench to unthread the nut to release the manifold gas supply tube. Using a 1/4" socket or nut driver, unthread the 2 mounting screws to release the regulator bracket from the rear panel. Unthread the screws securing the old regulator to the bracket. Prepare the new pressure regulator for installation by aligning the bracket and threading the screws. Be aware, if your range uses liquid propane, you will need to reverse the regulator cap. Unthread the cap, turn it over, and thread the opposite end into the regulator. Align the bracket on the rear panel and thread the screws. Insert the manifold gas supply tube into the regulator and thread the nut. Avoid over-tightening the nut. Do the same to secure the other gas supply tube to the regulator. Apply new thread sealant to the threads of the fitting and thread the fitting into the regulator. Attach the gas supply line. Confirm that the new regulator is in the on position. Turn the gas supply back on and test the connections by applying a non-corrosive leak detection solution. The solution will bubble if there is a leak. Once you've confirmed the connections are secure and leak-free, move the appliance back against the wall. Plug the power cord back in or restore the power supply, and your gas range should be ready for use.